Hi, this is Jesper.
Hi, Jesper. It's Michelle. Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you fine.
Where are you right now?
I'm on board a cable vessel. We are 65 people on board, and we're in the process of laying the export cables for one of the biggest offshore wind farms ever built in Taiwan.
You're working as an offshore client representative, is that right?
Yes, that's right. My job is to be the eyes and ears on the vessel for the construction management team onshore. And based on my reporting, they can make operational decisions needed to be made for projects. Also make sure that the cables are installed as agreed in the contract, and it's done in a safe way for both the personnel involved and the client assets, which in this case are the power cables.
Wow. And is there a lot of reporting in your role? Do you have to do much paperwork and office work?
Yeah, there is a bit. I keep a log of all the important events during a day, and I send that in a DPR, which is a daily progress report. I participate in a daily meeting with the contractor on board the vessel, and then I have a daily call with the onshore construction team.
And what is the most interesting thing you have learned by being an offshore client rep for so many years?
Having the ability to talk to different people from different cultures and backgrounds is very interesting. And you meet everyone from the catering crew who cleans your cabin to a CEO, maybe an owner of a big company who's involved in the construction phase.
Yes, but thank you for taking the time to chat with me today.
You're very welcome.
Cool.